this video, we are going to be looking at how you can convert a photo to text easily, how you can extract text from images and use these simple methods I'm going to show you in this video. So, why converting photos to text? Is it important? Yes. Number one, it saves you time typing manually. And number two, it extracts information from documents, from books, and from screenshots. And it's very useful for students, professionals, and researchers. There are two methods I'll be explaining in this video. The first method is we are going to be using Google Lens, and the second method is using OCR app. Number one method, which is Google Lens. What is a Google Lens? It's a free tool from Google that recognizes text, objects, and more from images. How do I use Google Text to extract objects to extract item to convert it to text? Number one is that I'm going to open my Google Lens app. If you don't have it, you are going to get it from Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Number two, you select or capture the image containing the text. Then you tap on it, highlight the text you want, click on copy, then paste it anywhere you want to. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how this works. So just watch the video to the end. You see how to do it. Very simple. The second method is using OCR app. OCR simply means optical character recognition. It's an app that extracts text from images using AI technology. There are popular OCR apps who have the likes of Microsoft Lens, Text Scanner, Adobe Scanner, CamScanner, and so many of them. We can find all of this in a Play Store or Apple Store. How do I get this OCR? The first thing we are going to do is to download and install OCR app of our choice from Play Store or Apple Store. Then we open the app and select the scan image or import the photo we want to extract text from. Then this app will analyze the text and extract it for you. All you need to do is to copy, edit, or save the extracted text as needed. So let's dive into the practical aspect of it. Before I go further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give it a thumbs up. Let's do the practical aspect. The first method is Google Play Store. First method is Google Lens, and the first thing we're going to do is to go to our Play Store, Google Play Store, and download it. It's already in my phone, but I'm going to show you everything you need to do. So I'm going to search for Google Lens. You see, mine is already downloaded. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is it. So you download it and install in your phone. So let's continue. So I'm going to open mine now. It's very simple. You see how it works. All right, so let's close this and let's assume I've already I have the screenshots I want to use in my photos. So I'll go to my photos and pick the screenshots I want to record. So let's assume I'm picking this. Let me say I'm picking this. All I need to do is to click on Google Lens. It's already showing here. See it here. See the icon here. All I need to do is to click on it and open it. So once I click on it, automatically it enables all the text in this page to be able to be copied. All I need to do is to look for the area I want to copy. Let's assume this digital marketing involves many of the simple principles. I press hold on the digital marketing and drag down to where I want. So once I do this, I will click on copy. Then I've converted it to text. Then I look for maybe my keep notes. If I'm making a documentary, I'll go to my keep notes and paste it there. Yes, if you want me to teach you how to, you can use your keep note. You can also learn it from here. So what I have copied, I'll paste it here. Automatically, I have gotten these words of characters typed without me typing it by myself. So it reduces your manual typing. So this is the first method, using a Google Play Store, using a Google Lens. So let me repeat myself. All you need to do is to go to Play Store, download Google Lens, go to the picture where you want to highlight, then press and hold the page of the text you want, you copy, and that is that, using Google Lens. So it's very, very simple. So let's use the second method, using OCR. If you still go to Play Store, okay, let's go to Play Store. I'll type OCR. There are many of them. I have 2 or 3 installed in my phone. Most of them used to have ads. So we have many of them. See all of this: OCR text scanner, text image to text, text scanner. All of these are OCR text. They can convert image to text. Some are free, some are paid. If you see this one, I've already installed this, but that's not what I'm going to be using. So let me show you the one I'm using currently and how to use it. So I'll go to my OCR app. See it here. This is the one I use, image to text converter. So all I need for you to open, though it used to have some ads. So let's give it some time to open. Then we are going to import the text we want. We are going to import the text we want into the app, then extract what we are looking for. So here, why I like this app, you can extract directly once you snap the using your camera. You can extract from scanned PDF. You can also extract for your gallery. Remember, the screenshot I have is already in my gallery. What I'll do is to click on this gallery. It automatically opens my gallery. I pick the text I want. So I want this, how digital marketing works. I'll pick this. Let's go back. Let me pick it once. I pick it like this. So this one will now allow you to resize, to go to the particular place where you want the text to be. Here you are not pressing to copy. All you need to do is to adjust the crop icon to where you want to crop out, to where you want to edit as text. So once I'm done with this, this is what I want, how digital marketing works. I want to add it to my article I'm writing, or to make a slide with it. I've cropped it out. Some websites will not allow you to copy their text. So what you need to do is just to screenshot that page and use your OCR to convert it. So I have cropped out where I want to use. All I need to do now is to click on this crop. See this crop? It's just for you to click on it. It automatically does the work for you. So let's go. I click on my crop. It converts it. Do you see how it works? So as I said, this has app. Let's allow the ads to go. Then we can continue. So this is how it works. So I can equally edit how I want it to be, add to it, remove the ones I don't want, and it's automatic. You don't need to start typing all over again. That is the advantage of you using OCR. It makes work very easy for you. Let's assume your friend posted something on WhatsApp and you want to post the same. All you need to do is you don't need to screenshot and post it on your page. It doesn't show originality. So what you do is just to screenshot, go to your OCR or your Google Lens and convert that picture to text, and it will take you to original form. So I'm done with this. All I need to do, beneath here you will see different functions. That's why OCR is more advanced. I can copy, I can share, I can save, I can translate, I can switch it to any picture, switch it to picture back. So these are what you can do with your OCR. So what I'll do now is to click on copy. Automatically is already copied. Then I'll go to my keep note where I'm making the article. I will come here again and paste it. Can you see what I have typed now without even pressing any key on my keyboard? That is the advantage of using OCR, or that is advantage of using a Google Lens to convert those pictures to text. I hope you have learned something. If you have, write to me on the comment section and tell me the method you want to be using. So let's go back to our slide. All right, so let's go back to our slide. We are done with the practical, and I know by now you must have subscribed to my YouTube channel so that you learn more on so many things on online spaces. So I have a question for you. Having seen the two methods, which one should you use? Which one do you want? So Google Lens is best for quick, is free, and is simple to extract text. While OCR, they are built for advanced text recognition, and you can save whatever you extract from OCR as PDF or editable document, just like I showed you when I was doing using OCR. Both are very simple, but depends on what you are doing, you can use any of this method. So tell me in the comment section, which one are you going to be using and what have you learned so far in this video? And you can even mention other OCR app that someone can use to extract any text from image. All right. So in conclusion, converting photo to text is very easy using the two methods I've explained, using the Google Lens or OCR app. So the choice is yours to choose the method that fits what you need. Are you going to try it out today? Tell me also in the comment section. And I want to tell you thank you for watching this video to the end, and please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notification button for the next video I'm going to be dropping. So I've come to the end of this video, and thank you and bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.